Good day everyone, I'm Ivy de Gargoles. My title is Maria Clara. Born with a beautiful face, indignation is already there. Even though he became aware and alive in San Diego, he still lived abundantly in the company of Captain Tiago. Pia is the mother who has never been married. Captain Tiago identified father. And Padre Damaso, who is a true blood relative, was accepted wholeheartedly. He doesn't even have courage, pure love for Ibarra lying down. But Ibarra choose live now, his heartedly is blending. It's hard to take that you will no longer be mine. Your only instruction is a happy memory, and it will remain alive in my company forever.